So it's probably like super bright and you cannot see me. But I'm on my way to Ulta Beauty to check out some of the things and products that I could try to get on a budget. I'm not trying to spend $200. I don't want to spend $200. I'm budgeting really hard. Trying not to spend my money on fast food, but I'm actually gonna end up buying some fast food. I have to also get some gas, so you know, I'm budgeting as much as I can. But I'm gonna try to see what I can get. Gas is $3. Hello. So let's get it. So I ended up spending a total of $40 on just a couple of items that I've been wanting for a minute. I'm spending a total of $40 on a couple of things. I got this lip injection, the MILANI blush in the shade Rose d'Oro. Then I have the Velvety MAC lipstick, and I went and got the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe and herbs. Sorry I'm talking so slow. I'm really kind of rushing to go get me some food and some gas and head home. So I just got home and I'm about to try on these products that I bought. So I have the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I like this case it comes in. It's said to be 90% instant results and your lips feel moisturized, and 93% lips look fuller and more plump. Let's find out. Okay, so it looks very pretty. It looks kind of like the unicorn look. Smells really good. It smells like some type of candy, which is expected from. I don't like this type of lip gloss. What do I want to say? The holder of it, because it doesn't really let you get as much lip product that you want out. But let's see what it does. It smells really good, like cotton candy. And of course, this is just a travel size because I'm budgeting, like I said. So let's see if we see any results as I test on the rest of the products. My lips do look, they look good. So next I have the MILANI Baked Blush. This is Rose d'Oro. Don't know if I'm saying that right. This color looks really good. Probably because it matches my hair, but and my makeup right now. So let's see. I'm just gonna grab my mini contour like blush. It's broken, but I'm pretty sure it's an e.l.f. brush. Let's see. Oh yeah, I like that. And it's not too hard because you don't want to look like a clown, but I'm extreme, so I'm gonna like make it extra. But that looks really good. Kind of like the Rihanna. I'm gonna do that now just cause. Shout out to Rihanna. Whoa, my lips are tingling right now from the lip injection, and as you can see, my lips look hella red, pink, whatever. I like it. But anyways, my lips are on fire. So I like the MILANI Big Blush. That was $7.99, so like $8. And my lips look really like it's extremely, I see it. So we got the Mario Brescu. This says all skin types, so should be good. They say you are supposed to mist onto hair, face, skin, and throughout the day as needed. If products get into eyes, rinse well with water. Well, let's see. Okay, it's a little, it's not coming out right away. Wow, I'm not gonna lie to you. That made me feel really refreshed, and I think it gave me a glow. Wow. It smells good. Like rose water. It's supposed to. It's really good. You use it to set your makeup or go throughout the day just to give your skin a little pop. But I'm feeling this look right now, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to wait for my lips to kind of cool down to try on this little mini baby MAC lipstick I love so much. It's so cute. It's called Velvet Teddy, and this is kind of like a, reminds me of the chestnut lip pencil, if you guys seen that before. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till this cools down. Okay, so I love this lip gloss. This lip gloss is popping. This is bomb Too Faced. You guys really outdid yourself. Okay, you really outdid yourself. And my picture came out. This beautiful, lovely, cute product that I'm not gonna overuse. And that's even cute, although I know it's blending in with the toothpaste. I'm looking all pink, and I don't even like the color pink like that, although you see a lot of pink shit. I don't even like the color pink like that, so. But I love it. So all of the products I just showed you will be in the description box. And I got all of these products from Ulta Beauty. Like I said, I spent a cool $40, and that was just like on 4 things. You guys know when you go to the beauty supply places that are high fancy, you're gonna spend a cool $200, but I spent $40, so like that's the smallest amount of money I've ever spent going into like a place like Sephora or Ulta. And that's pretty much it. You guys should subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And this is just the beginning, I swear.